In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up high and low-level boards on Monday.com efficiently and effectively in just 5 minutes. Monday.com is a versatile platform for project management that allows you to streamline your workflow and collaborate effortlessly. By setting up these boards, you can track projects at different levels while enjoying the flexibility and functionality this tool offers. To begin, open your web browser and head over to Monday.com. If you are already a member, simply click on the Login button and proceed by logging into your account. For this example, I'll guide you through logging in with a Google account to keep things simple. So, click on the Google Login option and choose your Google account to gain access to your Monday.com workspace. Once inside the workspace, take a look at the left panel, which displays your existing boards. Select the board you want to work with by clicking on it. This will allow us to start organizing our project hierarchy. On your selected board, you'll want to navigate to the table or group that needs to be adapted into a high or low level board. Start by identifying the group or project you want to work on. Now let's add a new column. Look to the right side of the group for the plus icon. Clicking this will allow you to add various types of columns that fit your project needs. Here we want to connect boards. So click on Connect Boards from the list of options. This is crucial because connecting boards enables you to link information directly, providing a seamless transition of data and tasks between different stages of your project. Once the Connect Boards feature is active, go ahead and click Select Boards. This step is where you'll search for and pick the low-level board you want to connect with. Choosing the right low-level board ensures that all the granular details from specific tasks, subtasks, or phases are accurately linked to the high-level overview, offering better insights into the project's progress. After selecting the appropriate board, you'll see an option to create a two-way connection. Check this box. A two-way connection allows data to flow back and forth between the boards, ensuring that updates and changes are synchronized automatically, saving you time and effort. Finally, confirm your choices by clicking on Connect Boards. With this, your boards are now linked, and you can manage and monitor your projects at both high and low levels with ease. Whether you're overseeing the big picture or drilling down into specifics, this setup provides you the versatility needed to adjust to project demands swiftly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to explore the many dynamic features of Monday.com for even more ways to optimize your project management process.